Hey guys, today look what we are unboxing. And 16 gigabyte. Oh no! Batteries everywhere! No. Case.
This.
Blue.
Okay, so it is a what? Stealth Cam?
Yeah, I think.
Stealth Cam BT16. You gotta tell us what it is.
I never had one of these. Yes, I had one.
It's a Christmas unboxing.
Yep.
So
Tons of batteries. And more batteries.
It came with all of those batteries.
Yes. Oh my.
Instructions. What is that? Oh, that's the
The batteries are stuck.
strap.
Yeah. Wrap. How do I get these out?
Scissors.
No, I would not want to do
At the
that.
top.
I don't know.
More batteries. So how many total?
A ton. 1,000.
So in other words, it takes that many batteries to power it up.
Oh wait, does it really?
So it takes, maybe, unless I have spare, there's one.
Oh, whoa.
Ooh, the display.
In a waterproof case, I feel like.
Yes, it's a trail cam or outdoor camera. Stealth Cam. I wonder what features. Does it have?
I
bet
think
it
you
has
actually have to unscrew all the screws to put the batteries in.
But I bet it has night vision.
Oh no, the batteries are going here. Whoa.
So Stealth Cam BT16, and it comes with 2, 4, 6, 8 batteries.
Will this be enough to power it?
Does it? Don't you need an SD card or something with it? Oh, it came with that. The 16. That's why it's called BT16, probably.
It's heavy. I closed it. You have to enter it. Here.
And the slot.
I'm not gonna turn it on right now.
Not just yet.
Maybe not in the video. Maybe so. Stealth Cam instructions. Don't mind to damage the paper to make it unreadable. How does this come off? Ah, I had a flap. Oh, sticker! Oh no! The sticker is gonna be unusable. There.
Stealth Cam sticker.
The instructions.
All right, awesome.
Are we able to actually like film me just for a second on here, then put it on the video?
You get it? That would be an in use, but we did the unboxing. So,
I think I have the batteries incorrect. Oh yeah, I had them incorrect. Oh yeah. Plus. Oh. No, we don't have to enter batteries in here.
all right. I think that's it for the unboxing, though.
Yeah.
I think we're good on that. Showed what everything is.
Yeah. Bye. Please like and subscribe on this video.